All right, guys, let me show you something really cool that I'm sure you're going to enjoy. If you have a Systeme account, okay, let's say you have a free account or you have a paid account and you're thinking about switching to a yearly plan, okay, a yearly plan. You have a monthly plan and you're thinking about switching to a yearly plan, or maybe you have a yearly plan. Maybe let's say you have a starter plan or you have a webinar plan and you want to you want to upgrade to a webinar or to an unlimited plan and you want to switch to an annual plan. I have something really interesting for you. You're going to enjoy it and I'm sure you're going to love this, okay? So what's Systeme.io? Systeme.io, it's simply all-in-one platform that you can create your whole online business just using one platform. Today you need to have many platforms, many tools just to be able to operate your online business. With Systeme.io, you just have one platform, one tool, and you have everything. You have email marketing, you have funnel building, you have webinars, you have everything inside of it. And what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you how you can get more than $2,000 of free bonuses if you decide to choose and to switch to an annual plan using the link in the description. I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get. If you decide to switch to an annual plan using the link in the description, it's an affiliate link. It's not going to cost you more money. You're going to pay exactly, you're actually going to save money switching to a yearly plan, and you're going to save money and you're going to get more than $2,000 in free bonuses that I'm going to give you today. So what the bonuses are: if you switch to a yearly plan, I'm going to show you how in a minute, but I'm going to go and show you one by one all the bonuses you're going to get. So the first bonus you're going to get is 19 high converting funnel templates. What does it look like? So if you switch to an annual plan, I'm going to give you access to this member area and you're going to have access to 19 funnel templates. All those templates were funnel hacked from people inside the community, inside of Systeme.io community, making more than $1 million and 1 million euros using one funnel. So we funnel hack their funnels and we just duplicate their funnel and giving them for you for free. You have 19 of them. You can use them. You can customize them. You can just get inspiration from them to resell your own offer. So you're going to have access to 19 high converting funnel templates, all from people making more than 1 million. They all earn the award, the funnel, the Systeme.io award, making 1 million euros or $1 million just using one funnel. And we have 19 of them and you get them for free just switching to an annual plan using the link in the description. Second bonus you're going to get access to more than 100 custom CSS codes. So what's a CSS code in case you don't know? It's a simple line of code that's going to give you a really professional look on all your funnels. And I'm giving you more than 100 of them. If you go here and you go to CSS codes, you have all of them. You don't need to know anything about coding. You just copy and paste where you want the code to be activated, and see it's going to bring life to your funnels like this and I don't know, like this. So it's all inside of your members area. Once you switch to an annual plan, you have more than 100 custom codes you can use and give a professional look for your funnels inside of Systeme.io. The third bonus I'm going to give you is the Systeme.io in a box business. So what is it? Systeme.io gives you the opportunity to earn passive income. You can earn affiliate commission. It's monthly affiliate commissions referring Systeme.io. So how does it look? You can use my Systeme.io in a box business. You don't need to do anything. You just plug and play. You just send traffic to the system and it's going to give you affiliate commissions on autopilot. I make affiliate commissions every week using this exact system. I just create content. I send people inside of this system. I get cash and then I get monthly recurring commissions from this system. I'm giving it for free. Once you switch to an annual plan, you have all here and you get access to this system. You just upload it to your very own dashboard and you can just start selling traffic right away and use it. The fourth bonus I'm giving you, it's the email swipes. It's the exact email sequence that I'm using today, that I'm using to generate affiliate commissions and sales on autopilot using Systeme.io in a box, the system. So how does it work? I create content. I send people here. They buy, it's good. They don't buy, they have an automated email sequence that is sending them back and getting affiliate commissions and sales every week using this exact system on autopilot. It means that I don't have to do anything. I'm just send people inside. And if I create, let's say I create YouTube videos, I create them once and I get people entering this system automatically, and I don't have to do anything. So it's just right here, and you get access to the Systeme in the box swipe, email swipes. The next bonus, the bonus number 5, you get access to the complete Systeme.io PLR bundle. What is it? Systeme.io made, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8 white labels courses, online courses that you can sell and make money and keep all the money, okay? You just use this once you sign up for a yearly plan using my links. It's an affiliate link, okay? Using one of those links. I'm going to show in a minute how. You get access to the PLR system, the PLR package from Systeme.io, and you get access to 8 courses, 8 online courses with the course itself, the funnel templates, and the email swap. So you don't have to create anything. Let's say you're just getting started, you don't know, or maybe you just want to give them as free, you know, you can use them as lead magnets also, and you don't have to create anything. Everything is already created. Just click the link. It gets automatically uploaded to your very own dashboard, and you can just start sending traffic into it and making money. And also, the cherry on the cake, you get also access to the rights, so you can resell this exact package. So you have 2 options, whether you sell each courses one by one individually and you make money selling each courses individually, or you can charge a little bit more and you can resell this whole package and you have all the rights to resell this whole package. It's courses that Systeme.io is still selling today, and is still sending traffic and making money from these courses today. So you get access as bonus number 5. Bonus number 6 is full access to Genius Connector. I don't know if you heard of it. It's a Chrome extension you can plug to your Facebook profile, and it's going to automatically generate a send friend request to your ideal clients on Facebook. So you filters by prospect, by niche, by interest, by key criteria, and it's going to send automated friend request. You can send a personalized message with every connection. So it's a great way to get free traffic, and then without even having to create any type of content. You just just connect Genius Connector to your Facebook profile. It's going to send with your criteria. It's going to send automated friend request, and then you make connections and you make sales on autopilot. Okay, it's great. It's a great tool. I'm selling this one. We're selling this one for $29 a month. You get it for free. You get all the updates and everything just by switching to, you don't have to pay anything. You get it for free just by switching to a yearly plan for your Systeme.io account. And last bonus that I'm giving you, it's the Genius Engager AI. It's the same tool. It's the same tool. It's a Chrome extension tool that we're using. You're going to connect it to your ChatGPT. If you have ChatGPT, it's an option. You can connect it to ChatGPT, and it's going to use ChatGPT, and it's going to use your very own language, your very own style. It's going to scan your audience on Facebook. It's going to scan their content, is going to react to their content as if it was you writing and commenting. So you're going to create more engagement. More engagements mean more views. More views means automatically more sales. And you get access, instead of paying the $60 a month, you get access for free just by switching to an annual plan. So how does it work? You're going to click the very first link in the description. It's going to take you here. You're going to choose which plan you need. So let's say you already have a paid account and you're on a startup paid account, even if it's a yearly paid plan, okay? And you want to switch to a webinar pay plan, then you can click this link. It's going to bring you to the official page, and it's an affiliate link, and you're going to switch to a yearly plan. And then I will just give you access, grant you access to all your bonuses right here. Okay, so you choose any of the plan you have here, whether it's a startup, webinar, unlimited. The unlimited, obviously, you save more money, but you don't have to be able to get access to the bonuses. You don't specifically need to take the unlimited plan. You just use the plan that's best for you, and you get access to all the bonuses. And it's better for you because you will save money from the monthly plan. And also you will get access to more than $2,000 in free bonuses that I'm giving you. So again, you click the very first link in the description. get all the bonuses here, and then you select which annual plan is best suits you and best suits your online business and your needs, and then you change to an annual plan. You need to click one of those links, and also you need to make sure that you're using, if you already have an account, you need to make sure that you're using the exact same email address that you used when you register for the first time. Okay, very easy. If you have any more questions, please ask them inside of the comments, and I will be very happy to answer each one of them and give you access to all the bonuses once you switch to a yearly plan. Okay, thank you again, and bye.